So will this be playing around, showing you my skill. It's really dark. Oh wow.
I'm reporting
Wow.
everybody except Elliot and Okay, we're just reporting everybody. I don't really care. Everybody's being toxic.
Thanos, bro. Thanos, bro.
It doesn't really matter.
Thanos. Bro, Thanos. Bro, Thanos is trying to be Thanos. I'm trying to... Thanos Gorillatag, bro. Thanos and Gorillatag, bro. What, bro? He's trying to get everybody to disappear by reporting them and banning them, bro. Like, bro, it's Thanos and Gorillatag, bro.
And is it Forrest? Fishy got that drip. Fishy got that drip. Well, what are you doing? Okay. Good thing I've reported it. It's Forrest, right? But how do you know?
So, this be, kind of, like, destroying the lobby? Beating it up? No, like, not like physically.
Okay, it says Forrest. Activity zone will be below. Okay. Now, go up to room. Jump over here. Then, guys, first step back up. Yeah. It's on room, right? And then boom. Yeah.
Oh, wait, I didn't land that.
Guys, who wants to join Monkey on the show? Oh, we're gonna teach him. No, we're not. Whoops. Oh, okay. Oh, I can't do that. How about you try it?
Uh-oh. I think you're cooking.
Go on the group and then press enter.
Oh, I could. Oh, shoot.
Alright, that was today's video, bro. No, I'm just kidding, bro.
What's happening?
Oh, I suck.
You gather them here first.
I cannot do what you're doing right now. I'm not bugging, bro. What's your bracelet? Hey, good tag.
Suck.
Wait, check everyone on your bracelet. Make sure it's only us two.
No, wait.
It is you. It's because it's your color. Let's join a code just to...
Oh, yeah, I think it only works if you're in a code.
Probably.
What's the code?
Okay, I'll join the code and then check over here and join me.
Guys,
okay.
what's the code?
Okay, wait, I'll show you the
what's the
code.
code for monkey?
Wait, that sucks. That actually sucks.
What's the code?
Just join a random code, okay? So they don't know.
Okay.
You don't see nothing. Nothing.
Whoa. Oh, you got this? Oh,
I
no.
want my bank code.
Your phone?
Wait. Shoot.
What happened, bro?
This guy's speaking.
Yo, bro. I said what? What happened?
Wait.
What happened?
Bro, I suck at the game. No. Yeah, bro.
Oh, wait.
I'm going.
My branching, bro. Oh, yep.
My head followed you.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay in ground because this guy can't wall run.
Snowballs don't work when we find them.
Alright.
What?
Anyways, that was today's video.
Yeah, there's a wall right
No, never mind. I'm gonna keep playing. How my hands hurt so bad.
I'm out of the boundaries.
Hey, wait.
Shut out. No, I can carry on. Switch.
Oh, my God.
That poor baby.
Oh, man. Mongoose.
Finally, my branching was actually good. Good.
Bro, can someone teach me how to wall run?
Oh, that is terrible.
Bro, what? Bro, what?
It's terrible. Why did I just use
My friend's playing Dress Contest right now. Yo, what's the game?
That was a terrible one.
He is a beginner. Oh, he is?
Finally, I
Oh,
actually
no, you are not a beginner.
did a good
Wait, how much is
one.
that hat? How much you come and tell
You don't know.
What's in down the cup?
Bro, I can't do that.
Yo, I'm using the tracking glitch. Come on, buddy. Over here. I'm so tall, guys. Guys, stop bullying him. He's just
Hey guys, bark like a bird and fly like no. Bark like a bird and kiss like a shark, guys. Bark like a bird, kiss like a shark.
I don't get it. Bro, no,
What do you mean? It was so inspirational.
it's an inspirational quote.
Yeah.
Why? I'm freaking dead.
Why did that suck so much? Finally, one thing that wasn't bad. Alright, let's try this again.
How long have you been playing, Blue? It's like how I
Hate is a strong word.
No. Here's something.
buddy. That's what my teacher said. Anyone want to go to clouds with me?
I'll go to clouds with you.
Bro, why do ground camp?
Yep.
No, you guys are so annoying. Why do ground camp? Come on now. Just give me a new game. I'm not talking to you. You're good at the game. But first, fist bump. Fist bump.
Wait, what?
Fist bump.
He finally pays attention.
I'm trying to practice.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, let's go. I came in loud, guys. Right here. Do you speak English? 3, 2, 1.
Yep. I'm done.
Gordon, do you speak English? I kind of forgot about it.
Sorry, I was worrying about school.
No, I juked him once.
Don't juke me.
once.
This is not a juke where you jump over somebody's head. A juke is actually where you can break somebody's ankle and make them go the other way.
That's a juke.
How that's juking?
That is a
That's not
juke.
a juke.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna report the lobby. Yeah, I'm totally reporting the whole entire lobby. Yeah.
Guys. Hey. Who's the lobby?
Hello.
Whee!
My arm just glitched out. Hello, people.
Oh.
Hello, Stinky.
No. No.
I can bring tomorrow maybe though. Huh? Wait, bro, are you new? Kind of.
Oh my God.
I've only been playing for 2 months.
Coconut mold. Coconut mold.
He's too easy.
My tracking.
I stinky boy. They're not too coconut mold. Something like that.
Coconut mold. Ground campers.
Was he trying to mod?
Yeah, I definitely have mods. I definitely have mods.
I'm hacking. Cause I have mods.
No, you do not, kid.
Bro, how do you know? How do you know, Green? Like, actually, Green, stop being toxic.
Pretty good.
Like, Green, how do you know? How do you know that he doesn't have mods? How do you know?
Because I have a thing that shows me their IP address, or not IP address, like IP player address.
Then that's technically a mod.
Technically, it doesn't affect the game any.
Well,
Well, it doesn't matter. That's still, you cannot have that.
yeah, that. Yeah, it's still a mod.
No, listen to me. Can you listen to me? Can you listen to me? No, wear your stuff before you play Gorillatag. Come here. Because
What do you want?
Because you're allowed to use the bar.
Hey, man, how's it going?
How do you even get that?
Alright.
How do you even get that thing?
So that was today's video. So make sure not to be toxic like him. Anyways, the point is I suck. Goodbye. Wait, I gotta turn it off. I was recording from this because it looks better, and the camera mod wasn't working. So goodbye.